GoliathTech's Helical Pier system is changing the game in the manufactured home industry. The GoliathTech Foundation system is DAPIA approved for the installation of manufactured homes through the major manufacturers in the industry. In areas exposed to natural hazards, like floodplains, the foundation system is compliant with FEMA's P85 alternative foundation design and installation guidance. This system is engineered for quick installation, long-term stability, and full code compliance. This video covers each step of the installation process. The installation begins with a thorough scan of the ground, where qualified technicians identify the exact locations of underground utilities, including water, sewer, electrical, and gas lines. By pinpointing these critical points, GoliathTech ensures a safe foundation layout that won't interfere with essential services and keeps your project on track. To prepare for precise helical pier placement, the crew stretches a string line across the foundation site. Using steel pins, the team secures the line and defines each helical pier's position, ensuring the foundation supports the home exactly where it's needed. This meticulous layout forms the backbone of a secure and stable installation. Once the layout is complete, GoliathTech's engineered system installs each helical pier precisely to the required grade level. This accurate placement ensures the foundation provides sufficient axle clearance, allowing the home to be positioned directly over it. The torque-controlled installation guarantees the ideal depth and stability for long-lasting support, customized to each home's soil and load requirements. Once the specified depth and torque are reached, the torque hub captures the data and generates a detailed log of the installed system, providing a thorough record for quality assurance. Once the helical piers are in place, the team installs GoliathTech's exclusive perforated extension kits. This proprietary technology enhances adaptability and stability for the foundation, allowing precise leveling adjustments. With the foundation established, the manufactured home is carefully maneuvered over the helical piers. The structure is positioned with precision, straddling the helical piers to achieve optimal alignment without obstructing the foundation. Using a translift or rollover kit, the team makes fine adjustments to perfectly align the home with the helical pier layout. This equipment allows installers to achieve seamless alignment of the home's I-beams over each helical pier, preparing it for the final connection. With the home in position, the home is raised slightly to allow for the removal of the axle assemblies. This step prepares the foundation for a secure and permanent connection. The perforated extension kits are then adjusted to ensure each helical pier head is leveled precisely. Using a leveling tool, technicians bring all helical pier heads to the exact height specified in the installation plan, creating a stable and balanced foundation ready to receive the home. Each engineered helical pier head is bolted securely to the home's I-beams, providing both tension and compression support. This direct attachment eliminates the need for strapping, delivering a cleaner, more streamlined installation that maximizes foundation integrity. To enhance lateral stability, cross-bracing systems are installed at specific points between the helical piers. This engineered bracing helps distribute lateral forces, safeguarding the home against shifting or movement from external loads. GoliathTech's Helical Pier Foundation system simplifies installation, completing the entire foundation setup in less than a day with only one site visit. This system eliminates spoil removal, requires no heavy lifting, and can be installed in any weather. With no reliance on third-party contractors or concrete curing time, GoliathTech delivers a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective foundation solution that's built to last. From ease of installation to long-term stability, GoliathTech sets the standard for manufactured and modular home foundations.